layout of our website, the design, and understanding of how you conduct e-commerce business was very helpful. So educationally for me, that was really helpful. Getting the support, more professional skill set to put that together and make it look nice was a big help. I'm not in the business of designing websites. And so a lot of the ins and outs of doing that was very helpful, and the team was crucial in helping me get that put together. Great help having that team work with me. You know, we've been getting orders from outside of our normal territory that we cover, which is one thing I've been wanting to do, is expand the area that we service. Mainly it's been Utah and southern Idaho, but this year we've been getting orders from northern Idaho, north of Coeur d'Alene even, several in Colorado, New Mexico, and Nevada even. So already I think it's been a big help. They were super helpful, very conscientious of my opinions and thoughts, wanting to be respectful of that, but also willing, when asked, to put forth their opinions and ideas on what would look best, what would feel best, what would drive more customers. And that's what I needed on a customer-facing front. I can talk to people on the phone and make the sales, and I can design the product. But as far as viewership of our product online and things like that, I needed help with, and they were very helpful in that regard. Great help. I really liked working with them.